Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp channel. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the WhatsApp. Click on that and you need to open update WhatsApp Messenger. So once you done that, you simply need to click on open, and after that you need to click on updates. Once you are here, you simply need to click on this plus icon, and with find channels you can see an option to create channel. So you simply need to click on that and follow the steps, and after that you can easily create a channel. Unfortunately, I am in that country where that update is not available, so I need to wait for a few days, but this is the method that you need to follow to create WhatsApp channel. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.